Limited access to power is a major reason why everyday equipment at work is left unutilized. To use standard and wall receptacle tools in remote locations, deploy a Larson Electronics upright power distribution cart with your devices. Our mobile power distribution stations can make standard work equipment portable by extending power and making it readily accessible almost anywhere you need it. We offer 480 volt or 240 volt input secured on powder-coated steel carts. The NEMA 3R rated weather flip cover protects circuit breakers, receptacles, and power connections from rugged environments. Mobile power distribution systems on upright dolly carts feature 2 rubber wheels at the base. These units can be tilted back and easily transported around work sites for temporary projects. The power distribution stations are compact and suitable for getting around tight work areas. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.